Hello friends, day 121. After I left you last night, the church warden came over and had a quick look around and wanted to know what I was doing, camping in the churchyard, but I told him what I was up to and he was fairly cool about it, although he didn't want to know the Just Giving address, so only fairly cool about it. Anyway, this morning I cracked on. I haven't come very far today, but I did meet Anne and Paul, one of the locks, and had a good chat with them. And then in Nantwich this afternoon I met up with Tracy and we had lunch together, which was lovely. Great to catch up with her, and there's a little interviewette with her shortly coming up. I'm in a hotel tonight, which is rather splendid, and I'm meeting up with Ian later on, so he'll probably be on tomorrow's video. I found a leak in my Big Agnes sleeping mat, so hopefully that will sort things out now and I won't get deflated during the night. So let's see where I've been, and I will see you on the trail.
Hello, I'm Tracy, one of Chris's good friends, and I've met up with Chris today in Nantwich. We're currently in Nantwich Bookshop, which is an absolutely amazing building. I think it was early 17th century, so we've had a good look round at all the old woodwork and things, and we've had a lovely meal, which is even more lovely for me because Chris has picked up the bill. So I'm very happy to have met up with Chris today, and I'm wishing Chris well on the rest of his journey.
I found a leak in the airbed, hopefully just the one.